Pear and crunchy granola muffins.
Something quite nice when you walk into friends or family's house and you smell a muffin being baked. The flour and the baking powder in. A nice touch of cinnamon. Cinnamon muffins goes brilliantly. Pinch of salt. That's really important for the sort of overall flavour. You don't want the muffin to be too sweet. Muscovado sugar. That's a refined brown sugar, really rich and somewhat spicy. It goes brilliantly inside the muffin. And then my crispy granola. Now we're going to put half of this in now and save the other half to sprinkle on top of the muffin. Give that a really good mix. In the centre, I'm going to have some fresh pear. Top and tail of the pears, really important to peel. Nothing worse when you're trying to enjoy that muffin and you're negotiating with a big slither of skin of pear. Slice them round, the core, 4 sides, and slice them nice and thinly.
Generally, muffins contain around half the fat and sugar of cupcakes. Once the dry ingredients are mixed together, you add in the wet.
2 whole eggs. Nice. Milk in.
Followed by gently melted butter.
Give that a good mix. Add that to your mixture. Just start folding. Always do it by hand. Muffins are delicate, dainty little beasts. Don't overwork your muffin mixture. You want that mixture to become nice and relaxed. Now, the mix looks nice and creamy. Your tray and your little cups, and spoon in that mixture. 2/3 full. 1 nice generous spoon. And you can tell the mix is right because you've got that even distribution of the pear running from the top to the bottom. Just gently tap your tray, both ends. That gets the mix all the way down so they cook nice and evenly. Take your granola, now sprinkle that on top. And so you've got this dual texture, spicy pear and this nice crunchy topping. Makes the muffin taste and feel a little bit more luxurious. Now, into the oven at 180 for 25 minutes. Beauties. They smell delicious. Got that nice, crispy top. Just get them out and let them cool down. I don't have any problems turning vegetarian once or twice a week when I'm having muffins like that. Nice. They smell amazing.
A vegetarian breakfast to put hairs on your chest. Pear and crunchy granola muffins.
That is a vegetarian's delight. Beautiful.